Premarital agreements, also known as antenuptial or prenuptial agreements, are enforceable as a general rule. Such agreements allow prospective spouses to contract around the default laws governing property distribution upon divorce. In Blige v. Blige, the Georgia Supreme Court considered whether to enforce a premarital agreement after a prospective husband failed to tell his bride about his hidden stash of cash. Meagan Blige and Willie Blige married in 2000. They didn't live together before their marriage. The day before the wedding, Willie took Meagan to an attorney's office to sign a premarital agreement specifying that Willie would retain as his separate property a parcel of 19.5 acres of land and any house or structure on the property. Meagan signed the agreement and married Willie the next day. When Meagan and Willie married, there were no structures on the property. Willie had $150,000 in cash squirreled away that he intended to use to build a house there. Willie never told Meagan about this money. Meagan knew what Willie earned approximately in his job as a delivery truck driver, but had no way of knowing about Willie's secret stash of cash. During the marriage, Willie did put the secret money into building a large home on the property. The house cost approximately $280,000 to build. In 2005, Meagan filed a complaint for divorce. By that time, the marital home was worth nearly $400,000. Willie sought to enforce the premarital agreement. Meagan moved to set the agreement aside. After a pretrial hearing, the trial court granted Meagan's motion because of Willie's failure to disclose his financial condition fairly and completely before the parties signed the agreement. Following a trial on property division, the jury awarded Meagan $160,000, representing her equitable interest in the house. The trial court entered a final judgment and divorce decree incorporating the jury's verdict. The Georgia Supreme Court granted Willie's petition for review.